Attention mga OFW at UAE residents. Before you fly back to the UAE, make sure dala mo ang original Emirates ID mo. Kung wala ito, you can experience delay at sa mga ilang cases, maaari kang ma-deny sa boarding. Hello po mga kabayan! Kung babakasyon kayo sa Pilipinas o anumang bansa at babalik ka sa UAE, here's an important travel reminder. According to the recent reports from Gulf News, some international airports are now enforcing original Emirates ID check for UAE residents before allowing them to board flights bound for the UAE. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na lahat ng airports sa buong mundo ay pare-pareho ang policy. Pero dahil may mga airports at airlines na nagpapatupad nito, it's better to be prepared than to face problems at the airport. Remember, your Emirates ID is one of the main proof of your legal residence in UAE. Kaya kahit valid ang passport at resident status mo, maaari pa ring hanapin ng airlines ang original, physical Emirates ID bago makapag-check-in o makasakay ng flight. Another important reminders, don't rely on a screenshot, photocopy, or digital copy. In some cases, the original Emirates ID is the one being requested. Here are the most documents that they needed. Valid passport, original Emirates ID, valid UAE resident status, flight ticket, and other documents required by your airlines or destination country. A few minutes of checking your documents can save you from hours of stress at the airport. If you're an OFW or UAE resident planning to go on vacation, don't forget your original Emirates ID. Share this video with your family, friends, and fellow OFWs para aware din sila bago bumiyahe. Safe travels, everyone! Disclaimer lang po. This video is for international purpose only. The information is based on the recent report and other published travel updates. Travel records may be varied depend on airlines, departure airports, and UAE immigration policies. Always check the latest travel requirements before your flight. Kung gusto nyo ng ganito mga tips at updates, tulong po ang inyong lingkod. Don't forget to like, follow, and share mga kabusog. Tulong po ang inyong lingkod, kabusog, update para sa OFW.